Hello everybody. We are going to talk about the history of public speaking. The ancient Greeks used public speech primarily to praise or persuade others. And at one point, the Greek citizens had the right to suggest or oppose laws during assemblies. This resulted in the need for a skilled public speaker. Speaking in public became a desirable skill and was taught as classes. Public speaking in the time of the Greeks was called rhetoric. Later, when Rome came to power, speaking in public was used during most of the Roman Senate sessions. The Romans adopted the public speaking rhetoric methods of the Greeks. Most of the public speaking teachers were Greek. The Latin style of public speaking became popular in the US and Europe until the mid-20th century. After World War II, a less formal and more conversational speaking style of presentation became popular. Electronic tools also started to become available. Initially, it was the overhead presentation, OHP. Gradually, computers came into prominence. And nowadays, through computers, you have PowerPoint presentations, Canva presentations, videos, and so on and so forth. By the end of the 20th century, these electronic tools migrated to the computer. They evolved as software tools, and now we know that many of the tools, especially PowerPoint, is used in public speaking. Thank you very much.